Namaste and happy Deepavali to all of you. Happy Deepavali Pranam. We celebrate Deepavali because
Dad, I know. Deepavali is a festival of lights where Diwali means the day of lamps. It is welcoming of Rama Sita from the victory board. Also the victory over Krishna from Narakasura. It is when Krishna left the Govardhan mountain to save the rats from India. Oh, no, India.
slow. You just remind me back how in India we studied for our exams. Like parrots memorizing words.
Yes. You should have studied in the Vedic pattern of connecting everything to ourself. That is the 5 aspects of our body, mind, intelligence, awareness, and consciousness, which we count using our fingers, right?
Yes, this Sankhya pattern can help us understand everything clearly, including the Deepavali festival. Like the 5 fingers, the 5 days of Deepavali festival starts on Trayadashi, the 13th day after the full moon in the Kartika month.
Thus, the number 10 is a number denoting completeness or success. I love success or victory, and so I like celebrating Vijayadashami, the victory on the 10th day, than Deepavali.
Pranav. Navaratri is only celebrating one day as the success of victory. Deepavali is a celebration of victory on all 5 days. Not only you, everybody in the planet loves to be victorious. Only the Vedic tradition talks about 5 levels of victory.
I got it. The first day of the victory is over disease and the death of the body, represented by the pinky finger. I heard from my grandparents that they used to tease you to take a bath at least on the first day of Deepavali to keep your body clean.
Pranav. So after a good shower on the Dana Trayadashi day in front of the lamp, Dhanvantari mantra for health is chanted. Then keeping sesame oil in a small cup and turning towards the south direction, Yama is worshipped for a victorious long life. And also who has problem with gaining weight in Deepavali sweets can have that herbal medicine also. The second day is victory over the mind's negative qualities represented by the ring finger.
The previous night's sesame oil is applied before the shower on the morning of Kali Chaudas or Naraka Chaturdashi, because it is the mind that creates Naraka or hell in our life.
This day Satyabhama overcomes emotional attachment and kills her own son Narakasura.
We like the sound. What a terrible parent.
It is. No, Pranav. This is. This act is only for the kings and queens, not for all of us. We have to kill those thoughts which are born out of our mind and create Naraka or hell. These 6 qualities are to get rid of Kama, Krodha, Moha, Lobha, and Matsarya.
The third day is the victory over ignorance. We light lamps as a symbol of victory over internal darkness.
Many of us think Mahalakshmi or wealth and prosperity is only related to money. But there are actually 16 Lakshmis needed for a complete, successful life. On this day, we do Lakshmi Puja for understanding the logistics.
The fourth day is the victory over our ego, I-ness or mindness. This self-awareness is depicted by the very same index finger. We point I and...
This is the first day of the new moon of Pradipada. It is a day to remember the Mahabali realized that one cannot sacrifice or offer anything bigger than ego to the God, because including our own body, we do not create anything except our own ego. This refreshing beginning is Bhishma Varsha.
It is also the day that Krishna lifted the Govardhan mountain to protect the environment against the destruction causing Indra.
audio problem.
All the people, animals, and indeed all the living creatures gathered under the massive umbrella that Krishna had created for them.
The fifth day is the final victory of collectiveness over individuality. The thumb represents a unity consciousness or social empathy feeling. The feeling of universal brotherhood is celebrated as Bhai Dooj or Bhaiya Dooj.
On this final day of Deepavali, brothers and sisters renew sibling love, with sisters applying the sacred red tilak as the mark of forgiveness for all difference of opinions.
Raksha Bandhan. It's a day when brothers and sisters show that they care about each other. A brother is someone to count on. A sister is a friend who will always be there.
This high state of unconditional love or divinity is the celebration of mankind.
Deepavali very much reflects the Vedic shloka Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, from darkness to light and from selfishness to selflessness. We don't eat for particular cells in our body, but for the whole body. Similarly, we should not work just for our family and ourselves, but for the whole society, because we are all cells in one cosmic body.
The
The
world
is
our
my family.
Long live Vasudeva Kutumbakam.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.